If you've been feeling the cold the past couple weeks like I have this winter, I'm gonna show you something that is super easy to make that will help keep you warm and keep you happy. Microwaveable heat packs. Put them in the microwave, take them out. You can put them inside your coat and keep you warm. Snuggle up with them at night. Put them in the freezer and put them on your head. Really great for sore muscles. They're a gift everyone will love, including yourself. So come craft with me, Stephie D. Here's what you're going to need. The squares of fabric. Get fat quarters. They are pre-cut sections. Some safety pins, scissors, needle and thread, and rice. You will need a good amount. You can get any kind of rice. I just got the largest bag I could find. Let's get started. Take your fabrics. I'm gonna start with the red one. You can make these any size that you want, as big as you want, as small as you want. I choose to make each fat quarter into 4 heat packs. Fold it in half with the inside, the underside of the fabric out. Match up those corners and give it a nice fold. Once you've folded it in half, we're gonna pin it. Put safety pins around the edge. Up here at the top, I've got 2 on that side, and I'm gonna do 2 on this side. And we've got 4 safety pins in. Now we're gonna do 2 in the middle. So now we have our 6 safety pins in there. Make a cut across the middle and down the middle. Now you have 2 equal size sections. Then you're gonna cut these in half lengthwise. Now you should have 4 sets of fabric. It would be a lot easier and faster if you have a sewing machine, but I'm going to hand sew it because I don't have a sewing machine. You take your fabric with your fold in it, so around 2 sides. Now if you're doing this by hand and not with a sewing machine, I recommend going over it twice. So I'm gonna sew this edge and then this edge and then come back and sew over it again just to make sure so the rice doesn't fall out. Leave one side open because that's how we're gonna fill it with the rice, so make sure not to sew that side. Take a good amount of thread, make a knot. Do a simple running stitch. So start in the corner at the seam and sew about a 1/4 inch away from the edges. It's okay if you can't sew in a straight line, neither can I. You're not gonna really see it. Just try and keep it as straight as possible. It doesn't matter if it ends up crooked. So now I've gone around it on my long side and my short side, but I still have a flap open here. So now we're gonna go sew around it again, and you're gonna do the same sides that you did before. Still leave that hole open at the top. Now you've sewn over both edges twice. Take out your safety pins. So open your flap at the top, pull it and flip it inside out. Go back in and push out those corners. So now you have your pocket, which is great. We're almost there. Now you're gonna fill it with rice. Want to fill it till it's about 2/3 full, maybe a little bit more, but not full enough that you can't close it because we're gonna be turning in the top and sewing that. It's almost full, but I would say you still have a good inch left at the top. That's when you want to stop. I'll pull off some more thread. Here comes the tricky part. I have my needle and thread ready. That's important. Take the top, fold it all down so your edges are smooth. Take your needle and thread in the inside, sew across. Make sure that you're staying close enough to the top so that rice isn't going to spill out. And when you get across, turn around and sew back over it again. Get back to where you started. Make another knot. Test it, shake it around, make sure the rice doesn't come out. For this size, you want to place them in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. Pull them out, they'll be nice and hot. And there you have it, your very own microwavable heat pad. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will be posting all of the instructions on my blog, stephiedcreates.com. And don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at stephiedcreates to keep up with all of my upcoming projects and behind the scenes information. Thanks so much for watching.